Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today we got the 1986 Original Series 3 Garbage Pail Kids Chrome. That's right, I love this series. It's one of my favorites. I love doing them. And before I get to that though, leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm gonna get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for our monthly giveaway. It's a Garbage Pail Kids Collector tin filled with parallels and sapphire cards and numbered cards, parallels. We got autographs, all sorts of good stuff in those for our monthly winners. And then 2 will be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, graded cards, sapphire cards, one-of-ones, printing plates, sketch cards, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every break that we do, we throw in an autograph. And for Series 3, I'm throwing in 2 autographs. That's right. We're throwing in a Birch Smith rookie card auto and an on-card Ray Zamoranta on-card autograph, rookie card auto. I'm also throwing in a couple of sapphire cards just to sweeten that deal. All right, so boom, those are in the flawless case, and let's get to this. I love Chrome Series 3. It's so much fun. I know you guys like it too. Make sure you guys are getting those comments in. The more comments that we get and subscribers, the more runner-ups we can do. So we've got 1 runner-up so far. Maybe we get another runner-up for the flawless case, but this thing is about filled. So let's see if we can get something cool. Never gotten what have they gotten here? We've got an autograph once out of this, I think. Got a couple of C cards, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I love doing the Chrome. Lots of fun. Right. Get 4 cards. So we got a Diddy T, and we've got a Juicy Jessica Refractor. Horsey Henry, and RoboCop. Actually, RoboCop, I think that was the one, yeah, I think that was the one that we got the autograph on, I'm pretty sure. Undead Jed. And we got Dasha Board. And Blake Flake. And Charlotte Webb. So we got Charlotte Webb and Diddy T. Got the sisters there. And we got Chromie Joni. Got her C card before. And we've got We Want Hugh. Holy cow. I was like, I don't remember it. I don't know this name. We Want Hugh. We got the C card. Holy smokes. Wow. Wow. Sweet. Got a C card. 2nd pack. Or 3rd pack, sorry. Yowzas. I was like, wait a second, I don't know this name. We Want Hugh C card. So sweet. Got a C card. Boom. Like, We Want Hugh. What? Zippy Zeke. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Got one of the brothers there. Got a Hippie Skippy Refractor. And a T2 Tootie. And an Atom Bomb. Wow. What? We got the brothers in 1 pack. That's awesome. So, I mean, man, killer box so far. Got an Adam Byrne and a Zippy Zeke. And a C card. Great box. Great box so far. All right, so we got a Jelly Kelly. Got a Mac Quack. Babbling Brook. and a Val Rao. Wow, got the brothers there on that one too. It's a box for lining up the A and B cards. Got a Beth Death and a Farrah Fossil and a Grim Jim, brother and sister. Wow, all right, and a Dinosaur. All right, I see what they're doing here. We got some type of hot box or something. What's going on? What's going on? I'm digging it. I like how they're giving me the A's and B's of them. That's pretty cool. Picky Mickey. We got a Stuck Chuck Refractor. And a Marvin Gardens. And a Hothead Harvey. Hothead Harvey. And we got a Pat Splat. Ooh. An Alice Island. Broad Mod. And our numbered refractor is an Adam Burn. Ooh! 39 of 150. 39 of 150. Yowzas! That's what I'm talking about. This box is on fire. Love that. That is sick. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Super cool box. This box is awesome. So, awesome. C card, the brothers, an Adam Byrne refractor. What is that, an X refractor? Another 150. And a C card. We're barely in this box. Looks like we got another parallel. Distorted Dot. And we got a Smelly Sally. Grandula Angela. And a Karate Kate. Purple refractor. And that is 64 of 250. 64 of 250 for that Karate Kate. Alrighty. On fire box. And then we got a Karate Kate regular one. And a Galloping Glen refractor. Stuck Chuck. And Apple Corey. And a Marshy Marshall. Brad Habit. And Target Margaret. And Juicy Jessica. Oh, Rod Wad. Curly Carla. Beaky Becky. And a Hurt Kurt. We got a Peepin' Tom. Target Margaret refractor. Half Nelson. And a Bruised Lee. Adam Byrne. That is awesome. Polished Paul. We got a Sticky Rick. Alligator. And a Spitting Spencer. So we got the brothers there too. Okay, we got a Los Vegas. Wrigley Renee. And a Joe Blow. It's off-centered. Joe Blow, I'm going to set you off. You're pretty off-centered. I don't want to make a set with you. Las Vegas and a Hippie Skippy Psychedelic. Number 299. Yowzas. Psychedelic Hippie Skippy. Then we got a Croaking Cullen. And a Joe Net Refractor. It's a super shiny refractor. Staring Darren. And a Chromed Chris. We got a Bustin' Dustin. Galloping Glen. Gluey Gabe. And a Rocky and Roll. Got his brother Las Vegas as well. Got another Joe Nutt. And a Hippie Skippy. Toady Terry. And a Drew Blood. Roy Bott. We got Hothead Harvey too. We got an Apple Corey Refractor. Ned Head. And Motor Ned. We got a Large Marge. Liberty Libby. Cashed in Casey. And an Erie Eric. Ourselves a parallel. Fishy Phyllis. Punched Perry. Mushy Marsha. And a Rocky and Roll Black Wave. 99 of 99. 99 of 99. Say that 10 times fast. 99 of 99. Alrighty. And a Mirror Imaging. And a Bustin' Dustin Refractor. Stoned Sean. And Humongous. Got a Pinlin. Dwight Bite. Precious Pete. And Warman Norman. All right, last pack. Let's see what we get. Got a Bullseye Berry. A Green Dean. Snooty Sam. And a Totem Paula. We got We Want You C card. Wow, really good box. An Adam Byrne and a C card. And a couple of sweet refractors. So yeah, score. Definitely score. Got that Adam Byrne right there. Boom. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And more Garbage Pail Kids Chrome Series 3 coming up. Stay tuned.